This is the Villain, a powerful eMoto from Heybike. This bike really covers all the bases for an eMoto or a pit bike. Very powerful little machine. The Villain is now available in all black with a taillight included, making it an even more attractive option. Heybike sent us one, but as an ultimate testament to how good of a value this bike is, several of his friends have already bought a Villain after trying out his. His friends bought direct from Heybike's website, which is what I recommend for the best service. Before I forget, make sure you check out the link and promo code in the description, which helps you out in saving you money and helps out the channel as well. While you're at it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the HChrome channel. Before I get into all the details, specs, and our other experiences riding the Villain, let's see how this thing goes together. The tools here do work well enough. Eventually I did resort to my own socket set just to speed things up, and so me and my son could work together. You will need your own tools pretty soon after buying a bike like this. Just to be able to tighten up the chain, you'll need to loosen the back wheel and make some adjustments to tighten the chain up. It will take a little bit of muscle to do this as well, so if you don't have the right tools or you don't feel comfortable doing that, suggest you make a friend, somebody who is handy, relatively strong, and can help you out with some adjustments and assembly. Alright, not gonna lie, I'm a little afraid of this thing. Level 3? Seems like a bad idea. Oh boy, I'm gonna go down to level 1. I'm a little heavy for this, maybe? That thing's got a lot of torque. All right, so let's get into our experience now riding this and get through some of the specs. First thing you'll notice with this bike is the power. With 52 volts, this is more than the typical 48 offered for other eMotos, pit bikes in this class. It offers 4160 watts, that's over 4,000 watts, and 190 Newton meters of torque. What that all means is a 0 to 10 mile an hour in less than a second. That's a lot of acceleration and you're really going to feel it. And riders of all sizes are going to have no problem pulling wheelies on this bike if that's what you're interested in. I mentioned the all black look. That's what everybody wants, and Heybike did not disappoint. The new taillight also increases the bike's safety at night and reduces the chances of a collision of someone running into you, as they will see when you are braking. That said, if you would like to, you can disable the brake sensor. The height of this bike is good. It makes it comfortable for taller riders like me. I'm over 6 feet tall. My son is under 5 feet tall. It's great for him as well. Some of the smaller bikes kids can grow out of a little quickly, and this height is really good. It's not a full-size bike, so it's probably not the ideal fit for me, but I can ride it much more comfortably than some other bikes in this class. Heybike lists the top speed of the Villain at 45 miles an hour, but smaller riders like my son are experiencing speeds up to 48 or 49 miles an hour, which he likes. His mom not so much. The headlight on this bike is more than adequate, which can't be said for other bikes in this class. His Yasma light was really needed an upgrade to be useful at night. Stock light here, very nice. The range on this bike is a huge upgrade from my son's Yasma. He's reporting about twice the ride time. They spec it out at 50 miles of range. It's got a 1352 watt-hour battery, and he's just really loving the extra ride time. We kind of like the fact that he disappears all day and we don't have to deal with them, so that's kind of nice too. It takes about 4 hours to charge this bike from 0 to 100%, so you're not offline for too long waiting for this to charge. The suspension on the Villain is quite nice. The rear suspension is adjustable and does a great job of absorbing those shocks. The front suspension is a little springy and a little stiff for lighter riders. So if there's one thing that we could maybe correct on the Villain, this might be it. But other than that, it's really a great ride. From a safety standpoint, the Villain has a kill switch, a magnetic switch you can tie up with a lanyard. We didn't end up using it all that much. You can easily remove the lanyard, but for new riders especially, it might be a smart thing to include. Also, really, probably more importantly, the brake sensor. So when you're braking, you cannot accelerate at the same time. This is very helpful, especially for new riders. We did unplug ours, which is easy to do, which is just to help with the wheelie control. This bike does come with reverse, which is something that Heybike doesn't talk that much about. With a push of the button, you can back this thing up very easily, which is helpful for negotiating tight spaces, and actually a feature we use quite a bit. For customization, there are plenty of ways of customizing this bike. The panels remove easily, so if you want to put on some graphics, stickers, that's really easy to do. So far, my son has opted for a larger front fender and an upgraded seat cover that's a little more sticky and has some more friction. Both of those features have been improved since the bike was sent to us. So when his friends bought the bikes, and they just showed up a couple days ago, they came with both of these improved. So a larger front fender and a better seat cover. Other than that, my son's removed a couple stickers, which is easy to do if you want to, and has moved to a 3D printed center mount for the screen. Heybike is offering several upgrades and accessories on their website. Be sure to check that out. As I mentioned, I do recommend buying the bike from there. It's been a good experience. And check out the link in our description and the promo code to help you out and help us out. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this video and you're looking for other videos like it that highlight more of these eMotos and pit bikes. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time here on the HChrome YouTube channel.